It's easy to manage your projects with Rule. Bring the people and the parts of your projects together and collaborate from concept to completion. Here's a list of all of our projects. Use the checkboxes to the left of each when you're finished to mark projects as complete. Here's the project name, and if the project is for a specific customer, the customer's name will appear beside it. If there are conversations happening within a project, a dialog icon will display along with a numeric indicator of the amount of comments. You can click these to go right to a project's discussions. Any overdue project will have its due date displayed in red, and you can see the amount of complete and incomplete tasks here. Any project that has a typed description about it will have an identifier. Clicking this or the down button to its right will expand the view and provide some additional details. Here we can read the description and see any tags associated with the project. Here we can see the amount of remaining tasks and milestones. Milestones are the big hurdles leading to a project's completion, whereas tasks are the specific activities needed to complete those milestones. Tasks, however, can be independent of any project or milestone, just something you need to do. Here's our actual versus quoted hours, which is red because we have exceeded our quoted time. Lastly, we see when this project was created. You can use the Local Actions tool to the far right to edit, comment, add milestones, add tasks, or to delete a project altogether. Let's check out a project that's being worked and see what's going on. Here we have an overview of this project with snapshots of related milestones, tasks, discussions, documents, and wikis. Any task or milestone that has been assigned to me will have a black star next to it. We can see full views for all related project items using the tabs on the left. As you can see, we're currently viewing this project's overview. Details gives us the full project description and also brings up the Rule utility, where you can share this project with other users and groups and connect other parts of your work to this project. Here are the milestones of this project. Notice how milestones display in a similar fashion to projects, since they are like small projects in themselves, broken up into bite-sized pieces. And here are the project tasks. Check out the filters above. You can use these to modify your view based on who something is assigned to, when it's due, or what milestone it's in. You can check off your tasks here, and you can also change a task's priority like so. Like all Rule items, even tasks and milestones have productivity streams that feed into the main stream. Notice how the task, related milestone, and project are automatically referenced when they show up in this project's discussions. This is your project's conversation space, its own productivity stream. And as with all Rule conversations, these feed into the main stream. Any conversation happening here will automatically reference the project in the main stream, and anytime someone references this project, the discussion will show up here. Whoever is working the project, whether it be a customer or team member, can reply to these conversations directly from email when you notify them of your post here, and the discussions will display as if everyone had been in Rule the whole time. Discussions are some of the most valuable things we work with. Don't leave them scattered and lost. Collect your discussions and connect them to the projects they belong to. You can quickly view all due dates for the project in Calendar and drag and drop tasks and milestone due dates to reorder timelines on the fly. Also choose the view you want here. Here we have the documents related to this project. We can upload new documents, and we can relate previously uploaded docs as well. View pictures, download, and comment right here. When we go to People, we can see everyone working on this project. We can share the project with other users or an entire group, along with referencing relevant contacts by clicking Relate People. And Wikis is where you can see and connect any wikis related to your project. In Time, you can log hours for your tasks. Now that you're familiar with the lay of the land, let's create a new project. We can create a new project from anywhere using Universal Actions. Or we can go to the All Projects view and add a new project there. All you need is a title, but you can get as detailed as you want. Choose users to assign the project to. And if your project is for a client, enter the name. You can provide a quote for the hours it should take and add tags to your project for easy reference later. This can be handy when you're using live search. When we go to our new project, we'll need to create new milestones, which is basically the same process as projects, except that you'll need to select a project under which the milestone belongs. Since you're adding the milestone in the project view, it's already selected for you. And when adding new tasks, you'll need a project and milestone, unless it's a free-floating task. You also have the option to choose a priority level for your task, as well as a status. And one other feature of Rule projects is the My Tasks feature, a personalized view of what you need to do. Just check off tasks when you're done.